Hey guys, we received this large clacking folding fan for test and try. So this is for the line dancing or the glitter bamboo with the ribs hand fan or the boot on the ground fan for party. So it comes in this nice carry pouch and very nice fan itself. So let me just open this up. So the pouch is around 13 inches and the fan also is around 24.8 after opening, and then 13 inches in the width as you can see. So very nice glittery fan. The quality wise this is good, as you can see, like the plastic slat fan and then also the sparkling shimmering glitter, and the screw fixation easy to open and close. So overall it's a nice fan, nice quality, and you can easily see like the extension here, easy fast and closing and use. So overall a nice fan.